Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and I'm sitting here next to my sister-in-law, Cora.
Hello, everybody.
Well, Cora, I'm going to show you and the folks out there some of the new features of Cookin'.
I'm excited.
We've been working hard at it. I'm going to do something that I don't usually do, though.
Okay.
I'm going to start with an older version of Cookin'.
Oh, all right.
So if we click Help and About, you'll see that this is version 12.9.5.
Yes, okay.
The current version that's out in the wild right now is 12.10.5. So this is a couple months old.
Okay. All right.
So here's what we do. And by the way, I just happen to have open this new cookbook called Great Food Fast.
I like that.
Yeah, this is one by Bob Warden. It's got pressure cooker recipes. We just came out with this.
Oh,
and
okay.
It is awesome.
I just barely got a pressure cooker.
Did you
like
really?
A month ago, so I'm very excited
We did too.
about this.
We got the Instapot.
Me too.
Did
I got
you?
that one. Yeah,
really?
I got
It's
it.
awesome.
Yeah.
We already made a couple things, and it was way fun. And people have been clamoring for more of those recipes.
Yeah.
Apparently, they say the Instapot recipes that are out there just really suck.
Okay, okay. Yeah, they're super popular right now.
Check this out. This is a great cookbook. And he sold over 1 million copies, I guess.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's just really good. We've had a couple people review it, and it's just fantastic.
Nice.
All right, so in this cookbook, there's these great recipes, right? And so let's take this one, for example, bacon braised short ribs.
Okay, that sounds right up my alley.
I know,
I'm
right?
already head over heels.
So let's say you find this and you love it, and you want to share it with me. So we have this feature where you can click here to email recipes.
All right.
So you would go here and you would type my email address, right?
Yep.
And then you would type in recipe, for you. You're gonna love this. Right. So let's say you were sending me this recipe.
Okay.
Send. Oh, but the first time you do it,
Yep.
it says please click setup and enter your email information first. So you've got to click this setup button.
Sure. Yeah.
And now you're faced with this, and you're like, I don't know. And so you come here and you put in your name. I'll put in mine. Right, and you can use the default settings, and sometimes that works, depending on your mail server. But sometimes you have to use your own SMTP settings, and then you have to put in your SMTP host and your port.
Okay.
I mean, it's just a hassle, right?
Yeah, right.
So I send this, and this works.
Okay.
Okay, but you can see that it's doing some work here. It's preparing the file, and it's creating a .dvo file so that if the recipient has Cookin', they can just import it into their Cookin' software, which is cool.
Yep.
So it's doing some work. It's talking to the mail server, and it's doing
some communication there.
Yeah, right. It's doing all
up.
this stuff. But meanwhile, you're sitting here going, okay, come on.
Yeah.
Figure it out already.
Yeah.
I got more. I got.
Bring it up. I got to make my bacon braised short ribs.
That's right. I got better fish to fry.
Yeah.
Bigger fish to fry. Right.
Yep.
Like literally, if you're cooking fish.
Yeah, exactly. That sounds really good right now.
Yeah, I know, right? So you're sitting here and you're waiting, and it's gonna send in a minute.
Anytime now.
Right? Yeah. So now you start to see the problem.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, it works and it's great,
Yep.
but the configuration is a bit of a hassle.
Yeah.
And then waiting here is a bit of a hassle too.
Yep.
It's like you're like, and it might even discourage you from sending a recipe.
Sure.
I mean, it's cool that it does it, right?
Yep.
But we improve this a lot.
Great.
I'll show you in a second here.
Good.
In fact, I want to send this to myself because
Okay.
we changed the way the message format appears too for the recipient.
All right.
So I'll show you in a second here what I'm talking about. As soon as there we go.
Oh, there we go. Yay!
Hey, your email has been sent. Now you got to click OK.
Congratulations. Okay.
Okay. When you send an email, like using Gmail or whatever your email client is, does it say, "Hey, congratulations, your message was sent," and then you have to click OK? No, it just does it.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, it just does it. Right?
It's already
Okay.
done.
So that's a hassle too, having to confirm it and click
Yep.
OK. So now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to my email.
Okay.
And look, I got a recipe here. You're going to love this. Okay.
Yeah, that was the message.
Short ribs. There's the .dvo file attached. So that's not bad.
No, not at all. There
you
you
click
go.
here to
Got
get the
it.
recipe, right? Here's what I'm going to do, though. Watch this. Now I'm going to exit Cookin'. Okay, I'm going to launch the current version.
Ooh.
The one that's out in the wild
All right, let's
right
compare
now.
this and see.
Yeah.
I like how you said out in the wild.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
We have a lot of caged...
It's like all fresh and...
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
We have a version of Cookin' that is caged right now.
Yeah.
Developers are working on it, and we
Yep.
add new features and everything else. But we don't release it out in the wild all the time right away. But,
Okay.
this one is the one that's out in the wild. Okay.
Right.
And so it's version 12.10.5. That's the latest. Okay. So let's say I go and I find a recipe that I want to share. Let's say it's this one right here.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
cauliflower
I'm like, yeah, you're
fried
gonna
rice
love
is a
this.
big deal right now. A lot of people are trying
Yeah?
to... Yeah. A lot of people are trying to go low carb, and so they do that.
Uh-huh. Cool. So now watch this. I click this
Okay.
button to email the recipe. And now there's no setup button down on the
Yeah,
bottom.
you're right.
There's no way you don't need to configure it anymore.
That's
right?
good. Oh, thank
So now I'm going to
goodness.
send it to myself.
All right.
Healthy recipe. Try this. Right? You're like, ooh, yum. So now I click send and watch what happens. It creates the .dvo file and attaches it and so forth. I'm done.
Oh, are you kidding me right now?
I know, right?
Okay, that was like a half a second.
Right?
I am okay with that.
I know, right?
I'm very okay
you don't have
with
to click.
that.
You don't have to click OK and say, "Okay, thank you. I'm
Yeah.
glad you did your job."
Yep.
You know, and yada yada. And
Yeah.
there's no configuration, and it works every time. Right?
Yes.
Super simple.
Very,
now watch
very
this.
simple.
I'm going to delete these 2 recipes.
Okay.
Here. All right. Let's see if this recipe came yet, Cora. Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
yeah, here we go.
All right.
Nice.
So now check this out. Dan Oaks has shared a recipe with you from cooking.
Ooh, there's a picture.
Try this.
I like it.
Danny. I put my name as Danny. I was doing a test.
Yeah,
Anyways, check it out. It's got the photo now, too.
yeah, I love
right?
that it has the photo there.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
And so, anyways, super easy now to email recipes. You can click this, obviously, and get the recipe, and it
Okay.
looks real good.
Ooh,
and so
there it
forth. And I
is.
got it. Yep.
Ooh, that does look good.
Yeah, it's even got a video with it on
Oh,
this one, too. Yeah.
wow,
I know,
nice.
So, yeah, it's easy
Love
to share
it. Mm-hmm.
recipes, and it's super quick when you email them now.
Yep,